Good morning children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to teach you subject English class 2 lesson 11 the foamy soap practice book exercise children. Lesson 11 the foamy soap worksheet 1 children. In textbook lesson 13, practice book lesson 11 children, don't get confused. You read about Dopey the goat, Soapy the toad and the lion, isn't it children? Write words which describe each one of them. First one has been done for you. Here help box given children. Clean, brave, good, smart, bad, big, hardworking. These words, what you have to do? Write words which describe each one of them. You listen the lesson, no children? The foamy soap. You know, goat, lion, toad. Goat, about goat, which word describe children? Hardworking. Dopey, the goat is a hardworking, no children? So hardworking and good. Okay children, select from the help box and you write each of them down. Words which describe each one of them. Okay children? Dopey, the goat, hardworking and good. And lion. Lion is very bad, no children? So you write bad. Describe about lion, bad and big lion. So big. So from the help box you select the words and each you have to write words which describe each one of them. And next, toad. Toad very brave, no children? See, brave. So write brave. And toad always smart and clean also. So write under toad, brave, smart, clean. Describes them children. Okay children. Now worksheet 2. Work with your partner. Fill in the blank with suitable describing words from the help box. Okay children, describing words means already I explained the last lesson. All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Okay children, once again I will explain you. All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. So here given help box. New, bad, light, ugly, hard, small, old. What you have to do? Fill in the blanks with suitable describing words from the help box. First one is wood is heavy. Wood is heavy, but cotton is light. Describing about cotton. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Take from the help box light word and you write L-I-G-H-T, light. Wood is heavy, but cotton is light. Second one, the elephant is big, but the mouse is small. You take from the help box and you write the describing word small. About mouse we are describing. I told you now all the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. The fairy is beautiful, but the witch is ugly. Isn't it children? The fairy is beautiful, very beautiful, but the witch is ugly. U-G-L-Y, ugly. God is good. Yes, no children, God is good, you know, no? But the devil is, take from the help box, what? New, light, hard, small, bad, ugly, old. Devil is bad. B-A-D, bad. Feathers are soft. Feathers means, you know children, birds. On the bird's body you can see feathers. Feathers are soft, but rocks are hard. The trees is old, but the bud is new. Yes or no children? Tree is always old, but bud is new. The boy is young, but the grandfather is old. Okay, children? The boy is young, but the grandfather is old. Okay, children? This one opposites also, children. Heavy, light, big, small, beautiful, ugly, good, bad, soft, hard, old, new, young, old. Okay, children? You feel what, children? That these words all are opposite. Okay, children, opposites. Now, for in describing words also. Describing words means what? All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Once again, I will read, children. Wood is heavy, but cotton is light. The elephant is big, but the mouse is small. The fairy is beautiful, but the witch is ugly. God is good, but the devil is bad. Feathers are soft, but rocks are hard. The tree is old, but the bird is new. The boy is young, but the grandfather is old. Okay, children, understood? Now, worksheet 3. Fill in the blanks with OW and then read. Okay, children, what? Here, worksheet 3. Only simply he given, you fill in the blank with OW. All the words you fill with OW and read the story. Coco the crow helps his mother. His mother wants to grow carrots. Coco sow the carrot seeds. Now Coco is dirty. He takes a bath. He wears a shirt which is as white as snow. He always puts on a black bow. His mother gives him a gift. It is a brown horn. His eyes glow when he sees it. He blows it. He likes the sound it makes. Okay, children. Coco the crow. The crow name is Coco. Helps his mother. His mother wants to grow carrots. His mother what wants to do? Wants to grow carrots. Coco sow the carrot seeds. Coco what did? Sow the carrot seeds and puts in the soil seeds. Okay, children. Now Coco is dirty. He takes a bath. He wears a shirt which is as white as snow. He wears a shirt which is as white as snow. He always puts on a black bow. Okay, children. His mother gives him a gift. His mother gives him a gift. It is a brown horn. It is what, children? Brown horn. His eyes glow. His eyes glow when he sees it. When he sees the gift, his eyes blow, children. He blows it. He likes the sound it makes. Okay, children. Now worksheet 4, children. Fill in the crossword puzzle. For each clue, think a word having the OA sound blend. Okay, children. Here some hints given, children. What we have to do? For each clue, clues given 1 to 9. For that clues, what we have to do? We have to find out one word. In that word, OA sound should come. OA. Okay. Sound, first one, sound of lion. What, children? Roar. Right? Roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. OA sound blends, no, children? R-O-A-R. Roar. We wear it in winter. What, children? You guess, children. We wear it in winter. C-O-A-T. Coat. Okay, children. In In rainy season, children make paper boat. B-O-A-T, boat. My teacher writes on it. What, children? B-O-A-R-D, board. I spread butter or jam on it. T-O-A-S-T, toast. Traffic moves on it. Where, children, traffic moves? Road, R-O-A-D, road. We take bath with it. S-O-A-P, soap. You, what you have to do? Think of a word having the OA sound blends. A frog-like animal. Toad. In the lesson also toad is there, no, children? Frog-like animal. Toad. T-O-A-D, toad. Its little one is called kid. Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. These all words blends OA sound. Okay, children. Road, coat, boat, board, toast, road, soap, toad, goat. Okay, children, understood? Now I will give you small assignment. Learn and write worksheet 2 one time, children. Okay, children, we will meet you in next online class. See you, children.